So we are going to study the next topic of the Vision IES magazine of November 2023. That is the role of governor and why it is at why ये issue अभी क्यों आया है. Like in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Punjab, government have moved to Supreme Court against their respective governors for their pending bills, and the governors are not giving assent, and they have withhold that for a very long period of time. So Kerala government issue is like that. uh, Government has passed 8 bills, but and some bill have been pending with the governor for 2 to 3 years. And in Punjab also, 3 money bills have been withheld by the Punjab governor. And in case of Tamil Nadu also, 12 bills are pending with governor. And okay, so what are the constitutional provisions for the governor? According to Article 200, governor is matlab for a bill to become law, the assent of governor is necessary. So, uh, governor has three options. After the bill has been passed through the legislative assembly, he can give assent to bill. In that case, the bill will become law, and he can withhold the assent. And when he will withhold, the bill will fail to become law, and governor can also return the bill for reconsideration by the legislature. So in this case, if the legislature passes the bill in its original shape, in case, and the third option with the governor is like that he can return the bill to the state assembly for the reconsideration as soon as possible after the bill has been presented to the governor. So all these three things are written there in the constitution, article number 200. So when the uh, state legislature pass the bill again in the same format, then governor has to uh, give assent. He cannot withhold assent if the same bill has been once again passed by the state legislative assembly. But in this case, the constitution has only mentioned that as soon as possible the governor has to resend the bill to the state legislation. There is no time frame have been given in the Constitution of India. Constitution of India, in which governor has to send the bill for reconsideration. And the fourth option available to the governor is about the reservation of bill for the consideration of president. So it is depend on the. So in this case, the president can give either his assent or withhold his assent. So after and the president can also um, send the bill for reconsideration to the state legislature assembly. Uh, then the role of the governor in giving assent is not required when the bill is reserved for the president. In case when the governor has to reserve the bill for the president for president consideration, so there is one mandatory provision when president has to governor has to definitely obligatorily reserve that bill for the president. That is when that law is derogatory to the powers of high court or mm, may endanger the position of court. Okay, so there are some another conditions in which the governor can also reserve the bill when they fulfill some conditions, like that is ultra virus of the constitution, ultra virus of the constitution. Yeah, they are opposed to the DPSP, they are against the large interest of the country, they are of national importance, and they are dealing with the compulsory acquisition of the property. So, and the next topic is about the discretionary power that is under the article 163. So in this has in article 163 the discretionary power of the uh, governor can be mentioned, in which it is written that the governor has to governor is bound by the aid and advice of the council of ministers, except insofar as he is by or under constitution or any discretion allowed. Okay, so the decision whether the governor acted in the whether the governor's discretion is, there is any question regarding the governor discretion whether he is acted right or wrong, the governor decision is final. So but in Supreme Court in Namab Rabia case 2016 said that the decision is final, but but governor, the exercise of the power of judicial discretion, governor discretion is subject to the judicial review, so it is not independent from judicial scrutiny. So there are a lot of cases that are like that are related to the role of governor, that is SR Bombay case, in which मतलब गवर्नर की जो पावर है वो रेयर एंड सर्कमस्टांशियल होती है, एंड इन दिस ऑल्सो द गवर्नर का जो सेटिस्फेक्शन है दैट इज़ ओपन टू जुडिशियल रिव्यू. And next case is the Shamsher Singh case. The year is of 1974. Okay, so in this case also the Supreme Court mentioned that there are not discretionary power to governor with respect to the giving assent or returning bill to the state legislature. He have to act according to aid and advice of the council of ministers. And in the recent case of Punjab